This flowchart represents PI's phases, starting with security and finishing at afterlife. Roll your mouse over each phase to get a better understanding. Security, or SEC, is the security phase. This is the first phase after platform reset or power on to ensure that firmware integrity is intact. Pre-EFI initialization, or PEI, is Pre-Extensible Firmware Interface Initialization, and its main purpose is to do minimal processor, chipset, and platform configuration for the purpose of discovering memory. PEI sets up the basic environment for the next phase. In fact, the PEI code is gone when it moves on to the next phase. The only thing passed on to the next phase are the handoff block lists that describe the initialization done in the PEI phase. The driver execution environment, or DIXE, is the phase where the bulk of the booting occurs. Devices are enumerated and initialized, EFI services are supported, and the protocols and drivers are implemented. Also, the tables that create the EFI interface are produced. Boot Device Selection, or BDS, Boot Device Selection, or BDS, is responsible for determining how and where you want to boot the OS. Transient System Load, or TSL, is the process of building up the OS. This is the phase where UEFI transitions control to the OS itself. Runtime, or RT, is performed outside of the booting phase. The OS is running in its normal operating mode. The afterlife, or AL, occurs after the OS shuts down or reboots.